My name's Chris Noctree, President of Chris's Coffee Service. In this video, I'm going to explain why, in my opinion, the Nouva Simonelli Appia is the best built as well as the best value commercial single group heat exchanger machine on the market today. Let me start with its versatility. The Appia runs on a 110 volt 15 amp circuit. If you want to use it for catering events, you don't need a 220 volt circuit. You don't even need a 110 volt 20 amp circuit. 15 amp 110 volt is all you need. You will never have to turn down a catering job because there is not an adequate power supply readily available. The Appia has a rotary pump and motor and must be connected to a water source. When we use the Appia at charity fundraising events, we simply use a flow jet demand pump and 5-gallon bottle of water. No need to direct connect to a water source. The drain hose we simply put into an empty 5-gallon water bottle. Now let me explain some of the features that make the Appia such a great value. The Appia comes standard as tall cup. What that means is you can brew directly into a tall paper cup and not have to brew into an espresso cup or shot glass and then have to transfer that to your paper cup. Speed is important when you're doing events or mobile catering. Time is money. With most manufacturers, a tall cup machine is an extra charge. The steam arm on an Appia is stainless steel and extra long. On many machines, the steam arm is made of brass with chrome plating. The chrome plating on these arms, more often than not, will peel off over time. Stainless is also much easier to keep clean. With the extra long steam arm, you can use a large steaming pitcher when you need to make several large lattes in a hurry. You only fill your pitcher halfway with cold milk, and you need to be able to get the tip down into the milk. That is not possible with a short steam arm, which leaves you limited to steaming small quantities of milk at a time. Once again, you save time. Time is money. We also include one of our own special 4-hole steam tips with 0.9 millimeter holes as an extra. Our 4-hole tip make it a snap to produce perfect microfoam, even for a beginner. The steam valve on the Appia is made for speed, fast on and even faster off. Pull it down to open the valve, and when your milk reaches the right temperature, a tap with the back of your hand and it's off. No need to turn a dial 3 times in one direction to turn it on and 3 times in the other direction to turn it off. You can also push it up for partial steam, let it go, and it's off. Speaking of steam, you virtually cannot run this machine out of steam. Appia can manufacture steam as fast as you can let it out. Watch the pressure gauge. It doesn't move below 1 bar, no matter how long you leave the valve open. For purposes of this video, we're using a volumetric Appia, which is what I strongly recommend if you are in fact going to brew into a paper cup. Number 1, by pre-programming your dose size, you can do other things while the shot is extracting. More time savings, and time is money. In addition, you cannot see inside a tall paper cup while the shot is extracting, so it is difficult to know when to stop it if you were using a semi-automatic machine where you need to manually start it and manually stop it. The Appia is, however, available in semi-automatic if that is what you are looking for. Appia comes with 2 beautiful ergonomically designed portafilters, a single spouted one and a double spouted one. These portafilters are deep and can accommodate Nuova Simonelli's triple insert basket. Appia has CSA approval. This is important in a commercial use environment. If your equipment does not have this approval, in many states they will not allow you to use the machine. Simply put, they can put you out of business. Appia has a large cup warmer on top, and the back of the machine is very attractive, which makes a nice impression on your customers. The side and back panels, as well as the top, are easily removed, allowing access to all major components. Now that we have the machine opened up, let me point out some of the major components I'm referring to. A lot of thought went into the design of the Appia. It is designed to not only produce excellent espresso and an unlimited amount of steam, it was also very well thought out from a serviceability standpoint. With Nuova Simonelli's nationwide network of service companies, we can sell Appia anywhere in the U.S. with installation and a 1-year on-site parts and labor warranty. Give us a call at 518-452-5995 between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, for a no-obligation price quote. We also have a wide variety of commercial espresso grinders to go along with the Appia.